Hello and welcome to another Multimakes 3D modelling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in the searches. And here we go. Yes, so let's try to create some leaf springs. I've not practiced this one, so right, so they're going to need to attach around here, maybe. A little hard pitched. Yeah, about there. And possibly that's it. Oh, we see the brake drums there. Damn, we're going to have to put them in as well. Nice and simple. Nice simple cheat. Scale, but don't want to go on X. And then you think, where on earth did that go? That's why it didn't get that side. Right, so scale, Shift X. Right, and let's add another material. Let's just pull that brake drum. Like that. So it's wide movement. Do a plus. And that one. This needs to be thicker, so select the back face and slide it back. Here we go. Let's add a, what colour is that normally? That would be like an iron. Let's let's do it. You know, I don't like that. I'm just going to put a 0 on that. Nope, wrong one. That one. That one. 2 plus. Deselect that one. Get that off there. One is go to 2. Control R. One of them again. Select the first, deselect the last, Control X. Thank you. Control X in there and bring that out. Got another 50 on it, maybe. Well, that made, isn't it? More camel than anything. Camel brake drums. Definitely. I think we had a. Oh, I've got a metal iron, haven't we? That looks better. This is supposed to be suspension. So from, say from here, just past the wheel arch. And halfway there. Living and pray. Get out. They seem to come all the way back there, don't they? It can't come all the way at the back of the car. I think they might do, you know? Wow, didn't realise it's all that big. Yep, so many jokes there, but we won't go there. So front, we'll just do halfway back. Hide wheels for now. I'm not sure about that. I like that. Do Shift S in case I've two selected, and then whatever we create will start there. That little lightning anomaly is there. Again, going much the direction. Oh, we don't mind. So underneath we're not going to see it, are we? Right, so from there, let's create it through a usual. Oh, let's do plane. Two. And one. Two. Eight. So do a control R there. We could do with that rear axle back, so we'll just hide the wheels. Bring the axle in. So if that's center there, that'll do. And we need to see that lighting looks a bit weird on that. On all shift N. No, it wasn't. No, wait. All this big springs. Spring. We'll move that into main. I know what they look like, but do the leaves go all the way along? They're generally made up of 3 or 4 separate plates, aren't they? It looks like there's some sort of attachment there that has the next little leaf in there. Little leaf. So they were extrudes it. That one looks weird, so we'll shift in. So that. Tell you what, let's do a control R there. Good set again. Ooh, keep it the same size. Read. Oops. Put 7. Control 7, thank you. There. Config. Move them to the side. That'll get them halfway. See what I mean? There's like a same gap there as theirs there. do the corner here. One extrude Z, scale Z. Not exactly what I wanted. Better view here somewhere. Here's one. But that can be disguised. Oops. DJ. Z. Scale Z. B. Right, yeah. GG, bit further. Right, into 2, we'll do a bevel on that. Will this work? We want to extrude it, but we don't want to go in the Y direction. Or if we align by normals? No. Right, do it. Extrude, scale, shift Y. Oh, it's worked. That will be that little piece around the springs. Keep the 2 layers together, or 3 layers, whatever. Ours is 2, well mine's 2. Yeah, that didn't quite go as well as I expected, to be fair. Get it down. Ooh, it's a bit too... Ooh, too big, isn't it? Nope. Not cool there. Scale X. Right, actually, where are we here? Oh, that's my train of thought. What was I thinking? Not... Put some edges on. In case... I really want to put a something on. It doesn't. Put that on now. I don't need to do it later. Or if I don't need to do it, we shouldn't do it. What? The axle's still nowhere near it, is it? Should it be above or should it be below? Quite far above it really, isn't it? So we should be okay then. We'll do a Shift S, cursor back to world origin, and then we'll do a right click, set origin to the cursor. Recurse, thank you. A mirror on that. We need pop some metal iron on there as well also. Need to do something with them where they go to. It doesn't quite look right just yet. Slide it up like that. I think it should these be further back. Although, oh, I didn't do it that side, did I? Yeah. What do you do this side? Right. Extrude scale, no. Y. Let's pull out a little bit. That. Just aligning them again. Not too far down. I feel this needs to be out here. So it can be seen, I think. Right, Control S. Save, and I'll catch you in the next one. Nearly there, I think.